Welcome back to another YouTube video here at DOA Online Academics. Today I'll be focusing on cell structure and functions. We say a cell is the basic building block of the body or organism. A cell is said to be eukaryotic when it has a true nucleus. Yes, that's correct. Its nucleus is enclosed in a membrane away from the other organelles in the cytoplasm. Eukaryotic cells can be found in plants and animals. If you take a look at the animal cell and the plant cell, you will see that they share similar organelles, and they also have organelles that are unique to each other. In the plant cell, we can see a cell wall, and it is unique only to the plant cell. This cell wall is a tough membrane that surrounds the plant cell. It is made of cellulose, which gives it structural support, enabling it to withstand pressure. We will speak of the formation of cellulose in another video regarding carbohydrates at a later date. Immediately to the cell wall we have another layer, which is called the cell membrane. It surrounds the plant cell and controls what goes in and what goes out of the cell. We will speak more on that also at a later date. We may find a cell membrane in both the animal and plant cell. Within the interior of the plant and animal cells, we can observe some organelles floating in a medium called the cytoplasm. Immediately we can spot the nucleus, and remember it's one of the characteristics that makes these cells eukaryotic. The nucleus is enclosed in a double membrane called the nuclear membrane, which are interrupted by nuclear pores through which materials can pass through. The darker regions of both cells are called the nucleolus. It is the condensed region where ribosomes are formed. Another organelle unique to both cells are the mitochondria. They are described as the powerhouse of the cell, as it's the site of aerobic respiration which requires ATP. Another important organelle unique to only the plant cell is the chloroplast. They are the green structures in the plant, because they contain the pigment chlorophyll that absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis. As such, plants are the only organism that can make their own food. Outside of the nucleus we can see two structures. One that looks smooth without and ribosomes, and the other which looks like it's covered with dots representing ribosomes. We call these structures the endoplasmic reticulum, which can be rough or smooth. Those with ribosomes on their surface are called rough endoplasmic reticulum, which are involved in the manufacturing and transporting process of protein to the Golgi body. Those without ribosomes are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is involved in the making of lipids and steroids. As you can see, both animals and plant cells contain endoplasmic reticulum. We also mentioned ribosomes. They are the site of protein synthesis. Immediately to the rough endoplasmic reticulum we are seeing another structure. It resembles a stalk of flattened membrane sac. We call this membrane the Golgi apparatus. Its function is to make lysosomes, as well as package and modify proteins from the endoplasmic reticulum, and of course these are found in both cells. In the plant cell we also see a large vacuole compared to that of the animal cell, which makes it unique. It is larger due to its ability to house the products of photosynthesis as well as waste materials. Lysosomes are other organelles common to both cells. They contain hydraulic enzymes which are responsible for destroying worn-out parts of the cells and digesting food particles and bacteria. So that pretty much covers this aspect of eukaryotic cells. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.